Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mintop Pro hair serum step by step. Begin with clean, towel-dried hair and a calm workspace. Section hair into parts that let you see the scalp. Use the dropper to apply 1 ml per target area, then gently massage for 2 minutes to boost absorption. Keep sessions consistent, ideally nightly, and track progress with photos to notice gradual improvement. Start by drawing a small amount of serum into the dropper and sitting under good light to see your scalp. Place drops about 1 cm apart along each parted row, then use your fingertips to massage in small circular motions for roughly 2 minutes until the serum feels evenly distributed. Focus on problem zones, but avoid excessive product on hair shafts to keep roots feeling light and fresh. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides you enjoy. Quick recommendation. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which frees up time for self-care and hair routines. It's a handy little helper for busy mornings or after treatments. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Consistency matters more than intensity, so aim to apply Mintop Pro Serum once daily, ideally before bed when scalp absorption is higher. Track improvements with weekly photos and avoid changing multiple products at once to identify what helps. If you experience irritation, pause use and consult a professional, and always store the serum in a cool, dry place away from sunlight to maintain potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.